In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have your board talking directly to your calendar, so events update automatically, saving you time and reducing manual work. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and go to the specific board you want to sync with Google Calendar. It's best if this board already has a clear item name and at least one date or timeline column, since those will become your event title and times. At the top of your board, click the Integrate button. This opens the Integration Center, where you can connect Monday.com to a variety of apps. In the search bar or app list, choose Google Calendar. You'll see a set of ready-made automation recipes designed to push items to your calendar or bring calendar events into your board. Pick the recipe that matches your workflow, then click Use Template. For example, you might choose to create a calendar event when an item is created or when a date arrives. If you prefer to pull events from Google Calendar into Monday.com, select the corresponding template. Don't worry, you can add more recipes later if your needs evolve. Next, click Connect. This links your Monday.com account with Google. If you've never connected before, you'll be prompted to sign in. Now connect your Gmail account. Choose the Google account you want to use and grant the requested permissions so Monday.com can create and update events on your behalf. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you may need admin approval. After granting access, select the specific calendar you want to sync with, especially if you manage multiple calendars. It's time to finish the automation. Map your board fields to the event fields. Typically, map the item name to the event title, your date or timeline column to the event start and end, and optionally map a location or description column to those event fields. If your date column is all day, mark the event as all day. If it includes times, make sure time zones are correct so events appear at the right hour. Double-check the calendar selection in this step to avoid sending events to the wrong place. Finally, create the automation by saving the recipe and turning it on. Give it a clear name so teammates know what it does. That's it. Your integration is live. As a quick tip, add or update a sample item on your board to confirm an event appears in the chosen Google Calendar. If it doesn't, revisit your field mapping, time zone, and calendar selection. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Monday.com. Enjoy a cleaner workflow